How to fix YouTube video buffering problem. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix YouTube video buffering or slow loading problem on your phone. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, let's start with the step 1. That is to check the internet speed. So first, always make sure that your internet connection is stable. So here, if your internet connection is slow, then you can try to switch between the Wi-Fi or the mobile data. And with that, moving forward to the step 2, that is to lower the video quality. So here, while watching any random videos on the TikTok, if you think that the video is buffering, then you can simply lower their quality, because doing that will help you or help the video to play in much smoother pace. And with that, moving forward to the step 3, that is to clear the YouTube cache. So here, simply long press on the YouTube app icon, and now here from the pop-up menu, just tap on app info. And now here, once you are inside the YouTube app settings, simply tap on clear data on the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here from the pop-up menu, just tap on clear cache and confirm it. And after that, you can simply reopen the YouTube, and this may or can fix lag and the buffering instantly. And with that, moving forward to the step 4, that is to turn off the data saver and the battery saver. So here, make sure to turn off the battery saver and the data saver on your phone. And now here, once you do that, this feature may unrestrict the YouTube performance and can fix the slow buffering as well. And here, with that, moving forward to the step 5, that is to update or reinstall YouTube. So here, outdated apps can cause problems. So you can simply go to the Play Store, and here you can simply search for the YouTube app. And now here, if you find any update, then you can simply update it to the latest version. But here, if you don't find it and the problem still continues, then you can simply uninstall and reinstall the app again. And with that, moving forward to the step 6, that is to change the DNS settings. So here, in this step, you can try using a faster DNS. So here, you can simply open the settings. And now here, once you are inside the settings, just scroll down and tap on connection and sharing. And now here, simply scroll down and tap on private DNS. And here you can try DNS like 1.1.1.1, or you can try 8.8.8.8 and save it. And this sometimes speed up the video loading on slow network. And that's it. That's how you can fix YouTube video buffering issue quickly and easily. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.